Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a forest with Maya 2022 Mesh and Arnold AI Standard Surface Shader. So let's get started. Take a plane, type scale XYZ 800, subdivision width and height 200. Go to mesh tool, sculpting tool, select sculpting tool 1, double click, increase the strength to 100 and size to 100, 100, and modify the polygon plane as shown. Now rename the plane as ground and hide it. Go to generate, get brush, select tree, select the pine.mel and draw just like this. Now select this one, open attribute editor, select the pine one, increase the global scale to 3 or type here 2.5. Select this one, move this one here, this one, move also here. Now select all of them, go to modify, convert paint effect to polygon. Now select this one and rename this one as tree 1. Now select this one, open pine 1 shader, leaf shader, change the material form to standard surface and change the color to this color. Select this one, change the shader color to first shader to standard surface and the color to this color. Do the same for the other two tree. Now select this 3 tree, go to modify, click freeze transformation, modify, center pivot. The main important thing or main important information for this tutorial is you have to freeze the transformation and center the pivot point. Go to lighting, turn on two-sided lighting. Go to Arnold, light, take a sky dome light. Click on this sky dome color checker box. Select file and connect a HDRI image. I take this image. Now select the tree one from the outliner. Go to Arnold, scene export. Select export selection to .ass, open the option box and click on this icon, export all shading group. Click export selection and rename this one as tree 1. Do the same for the other two tree. Now hide all of them. Again go to Arnold, stand in. Click on this square box. This will open the option box and select the tree 1. Click load. Load the other two. Now unhide your ground. Select this one. Change modeling menu to effects menu. Go to mesh. Open create mesh network option. Edit, reset the setting. Select instancer. Click apply and close. Now select these two stand in and control select the mesh 1 instancer from the outliner. Open attribute editor. Click Add Selection to your Mesh 1 instancer Instant Object box. Now select Mesh 1, add a ID node, ID type linear, ID count 3 as our tree number is 3. Mesh 1 distribute, distribution type change it to mesh. Middle click and drag your ground into the input mesh. Now see the effect. Select Mesh 1 distribute, type here 2000, go to Arnold, click render and see the effect. See, now close your render view. Again select Mesh 1, add a random node, right click random. Increase the scale Y value to 6. Scale value X to 1 and Z to 1. Now this time go to Arnold, open render view and see. In this process you can create a forest with Maya Mesh and Arnold AI Standard Surface Shader in Maya 2022. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.